Alright guys, Samir here. I just wanted to make this raw YouTube video because I get asked every single day. People ask me, Samir, how you can stay consistency in your trading? Samir, how can you stay consistency in your profits? How can you stay consistent, with the results you have? And guys, that's simple because once you realize 80% of trading, it's all about emotions, all about emotional. It just 20% is about knowledge, is about strategy, is about reading the charts. You stop focus, in the wrong thing. You just start focusing the right things about your discipline, about have a systematic process, about have your emotions in place. And that's when everything like changed for me. That's when I figured out things, and that's how you become begin to stay profitable in trading. So basically, how I solve this and how nowadays I help tons of people do the same. Basically, guys, about emotionals. How to solve emotions in trading? It's simple. Basically, all you need to have is a systematic process. I can make this YouTube video like 1 hour long, but I'll be just raw as possible and straight to the points for you guys. So basically, you need to have a systematic process. And what I mean by that, guys, the same thing about wake up in a day without knowing exactly what you need to do. So imagine you just wake up in a day just without anything to do, or you have a lot of things to do, but you don't have nothing planned, so just gonna drift around the day. But imagine last night, the day before, you plan all your day ahead. So imagine you wake up with everything already, with everything you need to know, so just execute. Same thing for trading, guys. Imagine you just wake up without a plan, without a systematic process. You just gonna take trades to take a trades. Probably like 100%, guys, I'm certain 100% your emotions is gonna play out, because that happens with me as well. And how to solve this? Basically have a systematic process. In the same way I told you guys about plan your day ahead, same thing with trading, plan all your week ahead. Plan, on Sunday before the markets open, how you're gonna execute on this weekend. So when you're on the week, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday, you know exactly in the morning, oh, this day I need to do this and this and this. If I take this many trades in a day, I stop trading. If I take this too much loss in a day, I stop trading. If I hit this X amounts of money, X amounts of percentage, stop trading a day. Because once you have this systematic process, you prevent yourself to do overtrading, you prevent yourself to do reverse trading in this type of stuff. So basically, how to solve the emotional parts in trading? Just have a systematic process. That's simple. And the people that still struggle with this is the people who don't have discipline to follow. So basically, once you figure out this and have the discipline to follow, guys, you are like 85% ahead of the most traders. So that's the thing. Another thing, guys, and the most important one, you need to ask you 3 things before place a trade, before do your next trades, to be honest. And this thing is simple. The 3 doubles. Basically, why, where, and when. And guys, once you know exactly how you can reply these questions, you are done. You can trade without your emotions playing out. And what I mean by that, guys, is basically like where. So the first questions, where, guys, where and why your trading are playing out. Basically, let's reply the why first. So why, where, and when. So why you're taking this trade. You know your bias, if it's bullish trend, if it's bearish trend. How identify my bias, guys? I'm gonna going over all this in another YouTube video, but basically just talk for you how can identify your bias. Basically, what I do, I go to the weekly time frame, then I go to the daily time frame, so I can identify my bias. So once you have your bias identified, like it's bullish today, it's bearish today, I know I'm gonna just take buy entries or sell entries. You have the why. So why I take this trade? Because my bias is bearish, bullish, so I know the trends of the day. If the market is going up, I'm focusing more in buy position, because the way I trade and the way I trade gold especially is just riding the wave. So imagining the market is bullish, you don't want to sell in these bullish markets, because you basically are going against the wave. So imagine, guys, you are just like riding the wave. So once you have this concept, you have the why replied already. So identify your why. So basically, if the market's bullish, you're gonna focus just in the buy entries. If the market is bearish, I'm just gonna focus in the sell entries. And guys, once you figure out this, you have the why like answer already replied, because oh, that's the trends of the day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ride the wave. So the market is going up, you're gonna prioritize like buy positions. You don't want to go against the wave. So in that way, you already know the why. So basically, the second question is where, guys. where you take this entry, like where you're placing the trade. Basically what I do, I just figure out the liquidities, yeah? So I just go to the 30 time frame, the 30 minutes time frames, 30 minutes and 50 minutes time frame, so I can identify the liquidity area. So again, that's another YouTube video I need to make to go all over this. Of course, if you wanna, just talk to me like directly, just learn from me one-on-one. I already have my one lead consulting, so yeah, of course, you need to apply to see if you fit. Yeah, basically, I have the one lead consulting as well, so I can explain all this, just me and myself, one-on-one, literally identify the things you're struggling so you can improve, yeah? But yeah, how you reply the where? Basically, yeah, about the liquidities. You need to identify the liquidities in the market because there is where I'm gonna place the trades, yeah? So once you figure out the liquidities in the 30 minutes, 15 minutes time zones, you just, the time frame is 15 and 30 minutes, you just wait for the market coming to this area, to this liquidity area, so you can execute, yeah? So in that way, you already don't have this emotional thing to place trades just because you wanna make money, yeah? So once you reply the why, the trends, the bias, yeah? Once you reply the where, you identify the liquidities, you identify your ranges, you wait for the markets coming to you to execute, we have another questions, the when, yeah? When you wanna take a trade, you know where, you know like why, but when you gonna take a trade. And the when comes after the third question, yeah? Reply the third question about just confirmations, your entry confirmations. So it's basically it, guys. Once you have these three whys replied, you're already like 100% without emotions because you just follow a systematic process. So the when, so basically when your confirmations happen, yeah? So again, that's another YouTube video because, I have my own confirmations to place at trades. And of course, if you wanna know these confirmations, just, make sure if I already have this YouTube video like out, or if not, you can just, send a message for me so I can talk to you more and you can understand how I trade, how I see the charts, how I read price action on gold. And now, not just myself, but my student inside the one-on-one leads consulting as well. So basically, what I do, guys, I basically, wait for the market to come to me in my level, so I know why, I know where, and I know when. So where the liquidity areas, so the range areas, liquidity areas. So basically wait for the market to come to my area, my liquidity area. I let a notification on trading view, so I just stay 24 hours in the trading, in the charts, and that's the thing, guys. Once you stay like 24 hours in front of the charts, you're basically, like putting yourself in the position to take more trades. Basically, your emotions, playing out. You're just trading because you think it's a good opportunity. So once you change this, you have a systematic process to wake up, mark our levels, mark all your ranges, and wait for the markets coming to you so you can execute. Is a way different process, yeah? In that way, you're just trading, follow a systematic process as well. But yeah, the entry confirmations is so important because in that way you have the confirmation to execute. You not just wait for the markets coming to you and just execute because the markets are in this area. You just wait for the market to give it to you, the entry confirmations. In that way, once you have the confirmations, once you have the why, and once you have the where, you have other questions to execute without some emotions playing out, yeah? So basically in that way, you can just remove the emotional parts from trading and just execute and follow a systematic process about why, where, and when. And with this, guys, you just, follow a process that you can be consistent, without you struggling with revenge trading, with just entering a trade and move stop loss to break even early, without just entering a trade and just, like close the trade early, or of course, you enter a trading, are in loss and close the trading loss without waiting for hit your stop loss, So all this because your emotions are play out. So guys, in trading, that's the thing. It's not the market who takes the money for you. It's not the market, you blame the market, you blame the strategy. Guys, it's just you. Most times, it's not the strategy. Most time, it's not because you don't know how can reach the charts. Most time, it's because you let your emotions play out for you. You let your emotions control you, So once you just take out your emotions from the game, you just have the systematic process and follow this, guys, the consistency happens, Of course, it's not gonna be in one day, it's not gonna be in 1 week, but after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year, doing exactly the same thing, you see the changes, And most of you guys are still struggling trading, still unprofitable because you just, every time you take a loss, every time you lose in trading, and that's the most thing, and that's the thing you need to realize. Most traders is still losing trades because, it's not because the strategy, it's because they just switch the strategy every time. So once you understand this, once you understand 80% is emotion, 20% is knowledge, you stop focusing focus on, oh, that's the strategy problem, that's the confirmation problem, and just focus on the right thing. Oh, I'm just not disciplined, I'm letting my emotions play out, I can hold this trade for longer, I can let the trade breathe, yeah, and that way you focus on the right thing. So most of you guys like take a loss 2 weeks, 3 weeks with a stretch, even with 1 month, 3 months, yeah? You take a bunch of loss, win a streak, and think, oh, my strategy is not working. Then what you do? Just try a different strategy, yeah? In that way, you reset all your progress. So basically, you are come back from zero again, yeah? Every time you switch your strategy, you try different strategy, you just reset your progress, come back from zero again, yeah? So that's how, that's how you stay unprofitable, just switching strategies every time. Just stick to one thing, guys. I'm telling you, basically my own experience. Like in my first 1 year and a half, guys, I was literally switching strategy like every 2 months, yeah? Like every 2-3 months, to be honest, switching strategy. So imagine, I tried every strategy you can imagine, everyone, guys, every strategy, yeah? And that's the thing, once you figure out just, it's not strategy, it's emotional thing, it's discipline thing, I need to have a systematic process, yeah? And just forget the strategy and just focus in the basic one, but applying the basic one very well, guys, that's when you become profitable, yeah? So if you try to just switch a strategy, if you try to just, make money in trading, try different strategy, try new ways to see the charts, you'll probably just, like losing a bunch of time and just be sure you're still unprofitable, yeah? So that's the thing, guys. So yeah, basically, don't switch your strategy every 3 months, every 2 weeks, just at least stay consistent for just one strategy for 1 year. How you stay profitable in trading? One strategy, 80% is emotional thing, yeah? I'm just doing this raw video, guys, because I wish I had someone to talk to me this, like 3 years ago, once I started trading. So 80% is about emotions in trading, so forget strategy, forget, knowledge, so focus in the emotional parts, like, yeah, that's true, it's easy, but seems easy, but that's the most difficult parts, yeah? Build a systematic process so you can follow every day. So every day wake up, you know your process, you know exactly what you need to do. You don't need to think about what you need to do because you already have a process built, so you just execute. Yeah. Same thing with play your day ahead. Yeah. You play your day the night before, you wake up, you know exactly everything you need to do. So it's way more easy. So you can't drift around the day. So the same thing applies in trading. And then third thing, the 3 doubles, yeah? Where, why, and when. So why, where, and when. Once you have these 3 questions replies, you can execute, yeah? In that way, you have a systematic process, so you can follow every day. You know where you can execute the trade, when you can execute the trade, entry confirmations, like why your bias and where your liquidity areas. You wait for the market to come to you to execute. In that way, guys, you're almost done with the emotional part. So yeah, basically this is like these YouTube videos, like almost 15 minutes YouTube video, just me talk to you straight away. But that's where the most value are, because guys, I wish I had someone like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, once I was starting trading, to talk directly with me this, yeah? Because I'm literally past, guys, exactly what works, yeah? That's exactly what's worked for me. That's how I have this type of life, yeah? Because literally I made this type of switch and identified these problems, and now I'm profitable. But I'm still thinking like students who are 5, 6, 7, 8 years, in the markets, enjoy the consulting because they still stuck, because they still unprofitable. In most problems you're facing, it's all about your emotions. It's all about the systematic process, yeah? It's not about the knowledge. Of course, most of the times even you're gonna have more knowledge than you think, yeah? You're gonna have a lot of knowledge, so that's even a problem, So once you have a lot of knowledge, once you know a lot of things in the markets, that's even another problem, because you have more things to hesitate, yeah? So every time you wanna place a trade, so you have more knowledge, so think, oh, I know this confirmation, so before I execute, I will wait 2 of these confirmations happen. So you ended up hesitating, yeah, and just waiting for the confirmation happen and lose the trade, yeah, lose the right time to take the trades, lose the better entry, because so many things, then you hesitate the market, yeah. So that's the thing, guys. You need to just make trading the simple as possible. That's the thing. So how trading, how operating the markets is like, guys, so easy to see, because I try to keep the things the more simple as possible. And once you make trading the thing is more simple as possible, just realize, oh, it's easy, yeah? I just need to do the basics very well, yeah? If you're not doing the basics very well, don't spend your time and try to figure out new things, knowledge, or new ways to see the charts. Just ask for yourself, I'm doing the things I'm doing right now in the best way as possible. If the answer is yes, okay, good. You can try to figure out new knowledge, new way to have more confirmations, new knowledge about trading. If the answer is no, guys, don't try to spend your time, just try to figure out a new strategy, a new way to read the charts, just try to execute the things you're already doing in the best way as possible. And that's how you're gonna see results in trading, yeah? Not about switch your strategy, not about learn different things, but about applying the basics very well, yeah? So ask for yourself, the things I'm doing right now, the way I'm trading right now, I'm doing the things I'm doing the best way as possible. I'm just doing for the sake of doing, yeah? And just try to learn new things to get better in my trading, yeah? So once you figure out this and apply this for yourself, you know what you need to do, yeah? So guys, this is almost like 20 minutes video, but a lot of value in there. Of course, a lot of value in there. So yeah, basically, like, watch this video twice, take notes, because a lot of things if you apply for yourself, if you're already trading, it's gonna help a lot. If you're already trading, still stuck, still struggling with something, I have all my socials out there in the description. So basically you can just send me a DM for me, yeah, basically myself, Samir, I reply for all my DMs. So if you send a message for me, I'm gonna talk to you, see if I can help you, see what's your bottleneck here, what's your struggling, how you can fix that, so you can improve your trading journey. But yeah, this video is out, guys. Just give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you until the next one. Ciao, ciao.